Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to see brushes tool in MS Paint. So this is our MS Paint application, and brushes tool is in home tab. It is in home tab here. On ribbon, it is here. Okay, this is brushes tool. So there are different types of brushes in brushes tool, which we can use to make different drawings as we want. And even we can use for coloring also, brushes tool. So let's see different types of brushes in the brushes tool. So there is a small arrow here, or you can just simply click, okay, this drop down arrow. If you click on it, you will see different types of brushes, okay. And if you bring a mouse cursor over these brushes, you will know which brush is this, okay. So there is a small tool tip for every brush. So we will know this is brush, okay, this is a normal brush. Then this is calligraphy brush 1, this is calligraphy brush 2. Calligraphy is, it is used for some artistic, some stylish, some decorative drawings. Then this is airbrush, it works like a spray color, or you can say sprinkle, okay. Then this is oil brush, crayon, marker, natural pencil, and this is watercolor brush. So children, we will see first we will explore here different types of brushes, because we are learning to use brushes tool. So let us select the first one, and we can select the size, okay, we can select the size for this. So let us select some thicker line, 5 points. And we can select a color for it. So we can say we will choose green color, okay, we will choose green color and just click and drag. So this is our drawing area, so just click and drag. We are just seeing the different brushes, okay, how they work. So this is first, then again click on the brushes tool to go to the next brush. This is calligraphy brush 1. So just select, and let's say we can select the size also and color, but let's keep the same thing for all different types of brushes to know the difference. So again come to the drawing area and click and drag. So this is calligraphy brush 1. Then go to the next brush, calligraphy brush 2, click and drag. So this is little different. This is airbrush. See, then next is oil brush, okay, then this is crayons, see, then this is marker, then this is natural pencil, see, it is light, it looks like a pencil. Then this is watercolor, okay. So these are the different types of brushes, so we can do some drawings. So let us draw something using different types of brushes, okay. So I'll draw a tree using this watercolor brush. Take brown color, then okay, we will take some smaller size, maybe this, okay. So let us draw it, okay, we can take some thick line, okay, this, so this is using what type of brush? We have used watercolor, okay. So even we can use oil brush, okay, oil brush also we can use for this, okay. Then we will use some airbrush, okay, choose green color for that and do some sprinkling, okay. So we can do this. So this way we have drawn a tree using two different types of brushes. We have used watercolor, we have used, see, this is a tree, we have used airbrush. Okay, so this is a tree. So this way we can use brushes tool. Even we can draw some pictures, some sceneries, okay, some shapes we can draw, and we can use brushes for coloring also. So we used watercolor brush, we used little bit oil brush also, and we used this airbrush for drawing this tree. So this way we can use brushes tool. So brushes tool, along with the type of brush, we can select the size and color. Okay children, so today we have seen brushes tool. So understand the video properly children, and do practice some reading at home. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you and have a nice day.